First, go to Krea.ai and click Sign Up. You can register with email or Google. It's quick and easy. Once inside, you'll land on the dashboard. The main options you'll see are Image, generate pictures from prompts. Video, create animations or motion clips. Real-time, edit visuals while you type. Enhancer/upscaler, improve quality. Node/workflow tools, advanced automation and custom workflows. Each section has its own timeline and controls, but we'll start with the basics first. Let's start with image creations. Step 1. Pick a model. At the bottom left, you'll see the model picker. You can choose from Krea 1, ultra-realistic base model. Flux, fast, versatile style outputs. Type something like cinematic portrait of a cyberpunk traveler, neon city lighting, rain, intense detail, dynamic shadows. Then hit Generate. In a few seconds, you'll get a grid of images based on your prompt. Click an image and you can vary it, make slightly different versions. Upscale, enhance detail. Edit, change lighting, add or remove elements. Export, save your final image. Try adding stylistic words like photorealistic, cinematic lighting, or portrait photography to boost visual quality. Real-time workflow. Go to real-time. Enter a prompt like add dramatic lighting and glowing neon clouds. Watch the AI update live as you type. This feature is perfect for experimentation. You can tweak wording, styles, references, and composition without waiting on full generation cycles. Editing and enhancing. You can also bring images into the editor and add or remove objects. Change backgrounds. Adjust lighting. Improve details. Expand the scene beyond the original prompt. This makes it easy to iterate from rough concept to finished artwork using AI alone. Krea isn't just for still images. You can also make AI-generated videos. Inside the Video tab, animate static images. Create short video scenes from text prompts. Use multiple AI video models like VO3, Runway, Hailuo, Luma, and more. Example prompt. Slow-motion cinematic reveal of a futuristic city at dusk, neon lights glimmer, flying cars overhead, dramatic orchestral music style motion. You can also take one of your AI images and animate it to make social clips, intros, or concept motion visuals. This opens up a huge range of creative possibilities, especially for content creators and designers. Generated images can be upscaled right inside Krea. Here's why that matters. Turn low-res creations into 4K or even 22K quality. Improve texture detail. Prepare visuals for print, video thumbnails, or reels. Just upload your image, then choose Upscaler and set the resolution. The AI will refine details to make the visuals sharp and professional. This is especially valuable if you're creating content for platforms like YouTube or Instagram where high-def visuals matter. And that's it, a complete walkthrough of Krea AI and what you can do with it in 2026. Now you know how to generate stunning AI images, edit in real time, animate visuals, upscale for high quality, use advanced workflows inside one tool. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more step-by-step AI tool guides, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.